What do we have here?
Have y'all ever tried this? It's good. Look at my nigga Nico. I don't get to close it. You go ahead. Yeah. So yep, I'm just waiting on him to get them fireworks or whatever. We out here though.
I had a lady come one year. She said,
it's nice and big. They got this stuff over here too, you guys. But it's this big box for me. You say what?
he don't have a big enough variety for me. See, I wish I was close to goddamn Indiana. I should, but you know what? Shit, want a road trip? Drive all the way to Indiana.
Alrighty, we finna go look at these other stands. About to hop on the interstate real quick.
For his drive location, if they ain't got what I'm looking for, then I'ma check Rosewood and last but least, where I should go anyway, to my homeboy's store.
Parking lot or whatever. And we at this one over here. The people are standing up over there. Who's gonna be listening to this shit like, what the world? Okay, y'all, we're here.
Let me see what I got. What I say. How can I help y'all today? How much can I take from everything? Canister, so you know, you got that bad boy on there. And how many come with this one? 6. 6.
It's a little like Let me see. Okay, y'all, pulling up to this other firework place. This is the actual store. So we're about to go in here and see what they got up in here too.
It's the same thing like they had over there, right?
Mm-hmm.
But they want it for 6. Yeah.
Period. What you said about that limousine, Nika?
You said, do you want to take a ride in the backseat of this broke down motherfucking limousine?
Did. Okay, y'all, pulling up to the last one. This is over here in the Lexington, West Columbia area. Yeah, so I'm gonna let you know what that's about.
Question for you. What's the lowest y'all gonna let them go for? I got you. Just the kids.
Hello.
Okay, you guys, we're back at the house, and this is everything that we got. So I'm about to have Nico hold the camera so y'all can see everything. I'm about to go through it. Okay, y'all, so we about to pull up over here with our other people, whatever, and they doing fireworks and stuff like that too. Hell nah, cuz. Take that black piece of tape out this shit, cause it's fucking up the light. There you go. Come over on the side. Come over on the side. There you go. Got the fuck up. You don't know how to. Oh shit.
Yeah, I went to that one too.
Yeah, so we go to that one.
What the hell?
I see what I.
You don't know. Bitch, you did. Hell nah.
I make our feeling right too. This about to go. This about to go.
If money do with you, then you ain't gon' make it. The streets will give it to you, and the streets will take it. Every nigga in the streets got no patience. I got money to have it. I got money to have it. Every time I see some money, yeah, I gotta grab it. I got money to have it. I got money to have it. They ain't dreaming, seeing money, talking big brain. I got money to have it. I got money to have it. Every time I see some money, yeah, I gotta grab it. I got money to have it. I got money to have it. They ain't dreaming, seeing money.
Right. That motherfucker say you ain't gonna blow this motherfucker up. Yeah. Blow that motherfucker up, Nicole.
All my niggas smoking strong here.
Hurry up, motherfucker.
Go this way, go this way.
Bitch! Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, I got. Might be fucking good. Y'all fucking see that? Oh shit. Okay.
Hey, Screen, turn up, my nigga. I'm on my hood receipt right now. I'm on my free squad shit right now, man. I'm on my trap guard shit, man. Trap guard, man. It's time to turn up. It's time to go crazy now, man. You know what I'm talking about? Slow down, good.
Oh yeah. What? Come on, come on, come on. This the big one you was talking about?
Yeah, this in here.
Uh-huh.
It's a 100 shot.
Here. Alright.
I don't know how big, but it's a 100 shot. It's boom, 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 boom.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Shit. Oh hell no. Oh shit, man. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Where's it? Oh shit. Oh my god. Yeah. You like that? You like that? You like that? Hell nah, cause that big motherfucker there. That is it now. Yeah. Oh shit, no. Something behind me. Hell nah, bitch.
Hello. Hello, Toady Toody. What's up? What I doing? Oh shit, he gone. Where you going to? Where you going? Alrighty, y'all. So back in the car now. Shit was fucking hella fun. Be safe. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.